Hello, welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete apps on iPhone with iOS 26. So to delete any app, for example, I will try to delete Gmail. You have just to long press on it, and as you can see here, there is an option called remove app. I click on it, and if I want to delete this app, I have just to click on delete app, and this app will be deleted in a few seconds from my iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. If you have any question, don't forget to write it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.